In this lecture, we will talk about sorting and ranking of Pandas data structures. Pandas provides a function called sortIndex, which can return a new object that is identical to the original, but in which the elements are ordered. So let's start by seeing how you can sort items in a series. So we create a series called SER with 5 values and with the index. Then you can write SER.sortIndex. Then the values according to their index will be sorted alphabetically from lower to higher alphabetically. You can see the items were sorted in ascending alphabetical order based on their labels. This is the default behavior, but you can set the opposite order by setting the ascending option to false. So we write SER.sortIndex ascending false. Then it will be alphabetically, but the back end from late alphabet to the low alphabet. And for the data frame, the sorting can be performed independently on each of its 2 axes. So if you want to order by row following the index, you just continue to use the sortIndex function without arguments. Or if you prefer to order by columns, you need to set the axis options to 1. So we create a data frame with 16 values and 4 columns with 4 rows. Then we write frame.sortIndex. If we use the default option, then the rows will be sorted alphabetically with the row index. And if we want to sort it by column variable numbers alphabetically, then we have to write axis equals 1 in a sortIndex function. So now the columns arrange it alphabetically according to their columns variables alphabetically. And the Pandas provides also functions to sort the values contained in the data structure. So in this case, you have to differentiate depending on whether you have to sort the values of a series or a data frame. If you want to order the series, you need to use the sortValues function. So for the series, if you write sortValues.sortValues, then the items will be sorted according to their value from lowest to highest. And if you needed to order the values here data frame, use the sortValues function, but you have to set which column variable you have to on which to sort. So in this case, we write frame.sortValues by pen. So the values in a data frame will be sorted according to this column. So value from lowest to highest. And in some cases, you can sort a data frame based on 2 or more columns. They have to write a list, an array of more than 1 column variables here by bracket, pen, pencil. Then in this case, the values will be sorted according to these 2 columns. And the ranking is an operation closely related to the sorting. It mainly consists of assigning a rank, that is a value that starts at 0 and then increase gradually to each element of the series. The rank will be assigned starting from the lowest value to the highest. So for example, we write SER is a series dot rank. Then each index will give a rank number from 1 to 5 according to their value. So the lowest value will get a rank 1, the highest value will get a 5. Now by default, even the ranking follows an ascending sort, and to reverse this criteria, can set the ascending option to false. So if we add ascending equal false, then the lowest value, blue, will get highest rank, and the highest value will get a lowest rank here. We will show this statement in Anaconda Spider, and we see the file called section 11 introducing pandas library.py, and the link to this file can be found in the description of this video. So we move to lecture 9, sorting and ranking of pandas data structures. We import this to library, then we create a series with 5 elements, then we sort index. So now sort be sorted alphabetically according to their index, and we sort index ascending false, the yellow first now. And for the data frame, a 4-column, 4 rows data frame, sort index, sort according to the index alphabetically. And sort according to the column names alphabetically. And the series sort values, lowest to highest, and data frame sort by 1 column's value, by this column, and the data frame sort by 2 columns value, pen and pencil, and the series rank, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, with this according to their value, from lowest to highest, and descending order for the rank. So lowest value gets the highest rank now.